our Hi There Bear bundle. As you can see, this is a really fun stamp set that has some bears in it, and it's super cute, and it is designed for all different occasions. There's lots of accessories in here. There's a coordinating die to go with it. If you'll notice, there's different bears in here. So there's an outline bear, should you love to watercolor. We've also included a distressed body. That way that you can actually stamp in the outline or just use this on its own, and it kind of looks like it's been watercolored, but that's an quick and easy way to add color to your projects and not have to watercolor. I'm going to walk you through all these little different bits and pieces and also what you can get out of the die set too. Okay, so like I said, there's an outline bear and there's a bear to stamp over the outline. You can use them individually. Notice here, this one's kind of broken up, but when you stamp it down, he looks like a cute little panda. And inside this block here, like this is a background piece that you can then take your bear and stamp inside. Okay, there's also a lot of little bits in here. So like these odd little triangles actually fill in this umbrella. The bear holds a lot of things. So you've got a balloon that he can hold for birthdays, and you have the inside piece to stamp inside there. There's a little bouquet of flowers, cotton candy. This little piece here might look like a unicorn horn, which I suppose would be really cute on top of a bear. You can do that, but it's actually the bottom little cone to the cotton candy. There's a little face here, so see the outline bear already has a face, but if you don't use the outline, you'll want to use the little face on top of that bear, or this could be the back of the bear too. Super cute. There's a little grass that you could stamp next to his feet. These little lines right here are meant for like little shadows off to the side of his legs. There's a little paw, so you can stamp his little paw in the hand if you'd like to. Let's see. And there's also really fun sentiments like hope you feel better soon, we think you're the best, sorry to hear you're under the weather. So there's a ton of different things you can do with this. Okay. So here is a cute little bear, and we've just stamped the little distressed body right here without the outline. So we've just added the face, and then you can see the little paw that I'm talking about. So you can tuck the umbrella right underneath there, and that's the background stamp that I was referring to. And this one says, sorry to hear you're under the weather. Little brown bear too. Now you'll notice this one's like a little gray bear, so you've got different types of bears too. This one's holding the flowers, and that little bow is actually at the bottom of the bouquet. Stamping the little flowers on the background piece too. And notice that this is the outline bear and the body of the bear, and it's stamped inside the background piece. So it's like a little layering element there on your card. This one here just uses the outline for all of you watercolor professionals out there. So super cute. You can just stamp the outline and then do your loose watercoloring like that. And in the stamp set, like I said, you can get multiple types of bears. You've got your panda bear, your brown bear, your black bears, whatever kind of bears you want. But we also included fun little sentiments. This one says, we all voted, we think you're the best. We thought it was super cute because they're all kind of holding up their hands. So we think that this is a really fun stamp set, and for all different kinds of occasions, and we can't wait to see what types of bears you guys